everyone, here's how I embellish this dress with these interlocking padded hearts. As always, all the materials as well as timestamps are linked down below. So first, I print off the embroidery design. This can be downloaded from my Etsy site using the link below. And from there, I see where I want the design on my dress, keeping in mind that I'm going to be putting on a collar on this little dress. Then I trace it out using this light board, which is fairly amazing, I must say, and I have it linked down below too. And I'm tracing this design on the wrong side of my fabric. So from there, I grab some thicker piece of paper to act as a protective surface. I happen to grab this little brochure thing from a baby wrap that I just bought, but you get the idea. It's just something thicker so you don't scratch your tabletop. And I'm going to be using an X-Acto knife to cut the inside of those hearts. And you could use scissors if you had to, but this little tool does a cleaner job. Once all of that was cut out, then I traced the heart design onto some quilting batting. I traced the outside of the hearts as well as the inside. And then I cut everything out, and when I'm cutting slightly inside those lines so the batting piece will be slightly smaller than the motif, and this will prevent the batting from sticking out of the design. So then I gave everything a good ironing and sandwiched the batting in between the red fabric for the heart and the polka dot fabric of my garment. From there, I used a very small zigzag and this 80 weight thread to sew around the outline of the hearts. And when that was done, I had something like this. Then I would carefully cut the outside of those hearts with some scissors. To cut the inside bits out, I first got access with the X-Acto knife. I kind of slid her under just the fabric, making a little bit of a slit. And then I used the scissors to cut around those little parts. And I didn't realize that I didn't have any red thread until it was too late to order some and still get everything done in time for Valentine's Day. So had I used red thread, things may look good enough to call this done at this point, but since I didn't use red thread, I wanted to cover up those zigzags. So I took 2 strands of embroidery floss and did a little chain stitch around the outline. This is a super easy stitch to do. It's great for beginners. You'll come up from the wrong side to the right side of your fabric, and then you'll just move your needle over a little bit from where you came up, and you'll pull through, making sure that your thread is below your needle, and this will create a little loop. And then you'll go through that loop again, just on the inside of that loop, location of the next loop, and again and again and again, and repeat. On the last loop, you'll just send your needle down just past, the outside of that last loop, and then you'll just tie off. You need to make sure to do this though, because if you don't, they will all just come undone, like interlocked together, if you will. So it's kind of like, knitting or something, crocheting. Now, I also thought about putting some beads to cover the zigzag, but I didn't have any that I liked for this Valentine's Day theme, but that could be another option. So there you have it, a little Valentine's Day padded motif. Take this idea and run with it. What would you do around those edges instead? There are lots and lots of ideas. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all next time.